Director of Health and Family Welfare, Dr. K. Rajo launches 7-day intensified mission Indradhanush 2.0 campaign, which will start tomorrow. Mansi Khang Soa Rigpa, a Tibetan Medical and Astro Institute which treats chronic diseases, opens its branch in Imphal. Illegal sawmills at Ukhrul and Kakching districts shut down. Minister T.H. Shyam Kumar assures stringent measures to stop mass deforestation. And 3-day Children's Film Festival organized by Manipur State Film Development Society and Children's Film Society of India kicks off. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Latima Monica with the latest news updates. Director of Health and Family Welfare, Dr. K. Rajo, launched the 7-day intensified Mission Indradhanush 2.0 campaign, which will start tomorrow. Speaking to media, Dr. K. Rajo said arrangements are all set to pull off 4th round of the campaign, which has successfully organized 3 previous rounds since December last year. Speaking at the event held at Family Welfare Department, PT Road, Dr. K. Rajo asserted that vaccines will be administered at 153 session sites at Chandil and Tengnopal districts, as well as 214 session sites at None and Tamenglong districts during the campaign. He added 375 children below the age of 2 years, 39 pregnant women of Chandil and Tengnopal districts, and 531 children and pregnant women of None and Tamenglong will be given vaccine in the last round. Dr. K. Rajo asserted that necessary training and counting of children and pregnant women, forming of task force and review meeting are concluded. It may be mentioned that tuberculosis, measles, hepatitis B, tetanus, whooping cough, poliomyelitis and diphtheria can be prevented from the vaccine.
Successfully implement or successful Prime Minister Modi gi special scheme cabinet secretary makada yengsaliba adugumba program successful view masi successful district level lagi monitor mayam thadui state level dagi mayam thadoi district level de thadoi aduga central level de su mayam thadoi masi mataktasu UNDP World Health Organization amadi UNICEF moi mayam sine support of vidra successfully implement tobungamjari.
Speaking to media, Dr. K. Rajo said Health Department has brought necessary equipment to deal with deadly coronavirus. He expressed firm belief that the center will also provide required equipments regarding the same. He appealed people to wash hands frequently and to keep sanitation facilities clean. He asserted that out of 337 individuals returning from other COVID-19 prone areas, report of 9 individuals has been confirmed negative and the result of 1 other is awaited. Dr. K. Rajo said that for Northeast states, an exclusive meeting was held at Agartala and resolved to take up strict measures to prevent the disease. He assured to take up stringent measures at airport and border areas by opening medical checkposts.
Medical team check airport medical team ahen doctor ahen staff ahen khujuklai pidana honazari masi matatasu Agartala da ngai matang nahanda special meeting preparation tawai namta yakoi kauna dagi nomination ani thadana meeting participate tawre masi loina national mission health family affair amadi mayam punna thabak tawminadara masi phajana ngaktonaba preparation tawji na hare yakoi khujuklai khar laisin jare center ge su khujuklai khar pirakani na yakoi yam kanna honari masi on the way de lere.
Mansi Khang Soa Rigpa, a Tibetan Medical and Astro Institute which treats chronic diseases, opened its branch at Manipur International University, Gari Road in Imphal today. Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Yumnam Khemchand inaugurated the Impal branch at the institute initiated by international famed spiritual leader Dalai Lama. MIU, in association with Mansi Khang, opened the clinic at its 57th branch in India. Speaking at the inaugural event, Speaker Y. Khemchand lauded MIU for its initiative towards health sector over and above education sector of the state. Speaking on the occasion, JNIM's director, Professor T.H. Bhimo, said, despite advancement in medical science, some of the diseases which remained untreatable by allopathy are even treated by Ayurveda and homeopathy. He added that it is well accepted that medical treatment by Tibetans Mansi Khang can treat various diseases as well as avail various benefits to the people.
Investment ama angang singi larik to buda mapanda thari basing sigi university sila di khar phani si kogi matam duda koi house da bill si pokala buda kogi phamgi ba board treasury bank sama do opposition gi wakhal ne hai jabatai ana university sina at least Manipur economy da achowa kana ba ma pini sai na ahama thamjara kanda larik tambi badana tana healthcare sector ama sangilakna si sangjin vili se I am really grateful to
chronic disease in Hilayang Bada, Huziki, Apoigi, homeopathy, Adi Ayurvedic, Aduga Huziki, Anova system, Men Si Kang, Shwa Ripa, Hariba, Huziki, Masigi, Anabagi, Layang Bagi, Patapasisu, Aine experience, Laitragasu, Masi, Matam Kayagi, Mamang Degi, established Oguna. Koi huziki mamang da pandi ba chief medical officer na ripa sina sigumada sathadana masi phare haibagi it is useful to the people size it has.
Forest and Environment Minister Thaunajam Syam Kumar said State Forest Department have initiated definite measures to curb deforestation and illegal logging in the state. Speaking to media at the minister's quarter in Kanglapad today, Minister Syam Kumar said that the State Forest Department, under the aegis of Chief Minister Nongthombam Birane, have initiated several measures to preserve and safeguard the forest. He mentioned that as a part of which the department has shut down various illegal sawmills at Awangkasom in Ukhrul district and Sero in Kakching district. He is sure to carry out the same in other remaining districts of the state without further delay. He appealed people to discontinue activities that causes environmental degradation.
Manipur ki tongan ba districtsingda ain kaina umang kokthokpa uyanba amadi atopa neighboring country dagi u import to khudi forest department na day and night ji phari aduga ain kaina nyongong thok to bagi forest department am lema tharo hena koi medai ko thangda Manipur ja miyam da thamjiri madudi isagi miku khragi apamba laibudamata koi ninthiraba jungle umang kaya thapasi ain gi mayoktani ana sumba thabaksin makhata na to biganu hadna media ki thona amon appeal taw
3 days Children's Film Festival organized jointly by Manipur State Film Development Society and Children's Film Society of India kicked off at MSFDS Auditorium in Palace Compound today. Commissioner of Art and Culture Department M. Joy and Distributor Officer of Children's Film Society Dinesh Negi commenced the festival as Presidium members. A 105-minute long English film entitled Windstorm was showcased on the opening day. Films will be screened at 11 a.m., 1 p.m. and 3:30 p.m. during the festival. Manipur People's Democratic Front has urged the state government to set aside political differences between ruling and opposition parties and select an efficient candidate at the upcoming state selection of Rajya Sabha MP on March 26. An MP of the state will also be selected during the election. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Secretary of Manipur People's Democratic Front S. Samungao lamented that there is no proficient MP among the 14 Rajya Sabha MPs selected since 1952 till date. He appealed to select an efficient candidate which will serve public's interests.
Bharati Parliament mating laiba adagi Bharati democracy ki norms khangba ꯚꯥꯔꯠ ꯁꯪꯕꯤꯙꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯀꯜ 1ꯗꯒꯤꯅ 395 ꯁꯦꯗꯨꯜ 1ꯗꯒꯤꯅ ꯁꯦꯗꯨꯜ 14 ꯁꯦꯗꯨꯜ ꯑꯗꯨꯐꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯀꯨꯂꯔ ꯅꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯗꯣꯂꯥ ꯗꯣꯂꯤ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯚꯥꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯂꯥꯃꯦꯟꯠꯀꯤ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔ 595 ꯂꯣꯛ ꯁꯚꯥ ꯔꯥꯖ꯭ꯌ ꯁꯚꯥ 295 ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ MPꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯥ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯀꯤꯡ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯗꯁꯤꯞ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ MPꯗꯨ ꯊꯥꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯁꯤꯅꯤ.
Officials of Affairs of Binai Center, ABC, Discover Manipur and Development Empowerment of Volunteer Integration, DEVI, under the aegis of Directorate of Environment and Climate Change, Government of Manipur, inspected wetlands at Barak Circle in Zirbam district today. The officials interacted with people of the area and appealed to preserve the wetlands. Speaking to media, ABC Secretary Chaudhary Mayum Joy Kumar said deterioration of wetlands brings changes in the environment. He asserted that it is high time to take up initiatives to save those who are living by depending on the wetland.
Asumba wetlands asi hojikti Manipur dantane prithvi goina akhoi climate change ki global warming adigi nomi ising phangdabagi problem ma'am tholpasta kharda usu kanna boidongta asumba department ki lamjing makhada asumba wetlands asi mong marin tana leribra antra mong marin tana singat na bohona bada adwai gi leriba locality gi mayam gi daita singdu su yamna darkar lebidu khiteng masigi matangda akhoi field visit kumba haitare masi lakchabani.
UK-based preschool Petals opened its new branch at Tera Lokrakpam Lekai in Imphal West today. Former lecturer of Johnstone Higher Secondary School, Potsangbam Mangi, former additional director of Manipur Health Services, Dr. Thokchom Rabindra, former deputy director of Agriculture Department, Lokrakpam Chauba, and many people attended the event. Speaking at the event, founder member of Petals, Tera Thingbaisam Dikas, said providing updated education system to children in preschool will result in better performance in their studies in future. He added, Petals is a UK-based preschool club of India. Thingbai Jamdikas said the school runs under the guidance of a child counselor who understands the likes and thoughts of children. He assured that especially children and parents will benefit from Petals.
The CCTV surveillance ma'am say every room da every nook and corner angang sina changba yaba jaga khudimak CCTV camera khengani angang sina school changba amasu school thok pasisida ngasagi angang je changre atraga thokre have through SMS automatically adum SMS thajagada parents ta ngasai angang sina ngasagi ma je tumibra ma je activities tawribra attentive oiribra ma je kai tawri haibado sigi khangning ba se akoina kamai tawni habada ngasagi applications ama akoina parents ta pigani sigi application ki through sida parents sida akoina SMS thagani every day my homework toroktre magi activities khangaktre adu kumbasisu magi class teachers na dum automatically mangonda gi book te ira piba nataba khoi SMS through sida akhoi gi parents dum thagrani magi activities tawgado me.
President of Republican Party of India RPI Athwale Maheshwar Thongnausam inaugurated a new food factory of MS Malem food product named Iramdamgi Pothokna Chinjakta Mipal Tangdaba Lamdam Oirasi at Thambalkong Sabal Lekai in Imphal East District today. Speaking at the inaugural event, owner of the factory, KH Bizando, said that the factory aims to increase native produce to make the state self-reliant, asserting that various food items aside from the pickle manufactured by the Malem food product will be produced by the factory. He assured that efforts are underway to produce canned fish, namely commonly known as tin fish, at the earliest. He maintained that the factory will be able to provide employment opportunities to the unemployed youths of the state.
Malem Sinjak aina mington ba anobu makha thonjaraga hajik matamjigi sanariba akogi kurkure rigidi noodles adi chau sigi maming migi maming da kurkure lobu taragadi phajadre isagi pothokna maming je dum sasabo oina ba malem simutung poina malem Sinjak aina ga thonjaraga anobu oina kurkure akogi snacks myam si ana anobu oina puthoksagani athubu matamda sigi akogi Manipur gi da sik thawak phangdabigi samesya ama khabara khangde ni myam kudi makta hajik ji phungphung sadana leiba wapam bani masida ina hygienic message ti aina tawriba thabak-sing asigi aikoina isana tandana government service kaktang ngaidana asi kari tawba yage haibado thijanbiraga Manipur da leiriba hajik oge MSME NSIC with department gi kangairiba mayangi manakta chapiraga oi ngasi akoina tawgadaba thabak muje kari tawba yage kari thabak ꯄꯩꯁꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯒꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯦꯟꯗꯣꯛ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯦꯟꯗꯥ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯀꯔꯝꯅ ꯐꯪꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯐꯪꯉꯤꯕ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤ
DM College of Teacher Education Imphal extended help to children home in Dulalen as a part of their annual Community Service and Extension Program 2020 today. The program aims to ease inconveniences facing the children and make them a part of development pace in the society. Exercise books, rice and other eatable items were given to children home by 400 trainees of DM College of Teacher Education and 50 faculty members.
college gi trainees unit gi fund gi koina ngamjaba khara haibadi darkar oiba leita laira mayam sing sta mating pangagadi ekoi su bor phangadra makoi su mi oigadra kaptana lairiba thawai mayam sing se pelhan darkar oi haibagi wakhalonda koi oja sing se lakpani asugum ngang sing si su ekoi samgat tabi adi makoi su manipur gi nagarik oidoini india gi nagarik oidoini moi si matik chaba mi mo oibi ai ishorna moi se matik charu so mi am oina por so haidra magun mayam yomaga lakpasi khudong cha daba leita laira mayam na maram oiraga moi sim phawbo ngamde aduna makoi sing se pun thawalaga chaw miem ohendaba yate samasi ingna chikna nungai phana pandaba yate habi wakhalonda akoi lakchabani.
City police personnel along with KEDO members carried out cleanliness drive today around Khairamban market like Naganala, Maharani Bridge and Nambul River under Clean City Imphal project to keep Imphal city neat and clean. Speaking to media, City Police OC M. Sudhir said that the cleanliness drive was carried out to avoid diseases with the coming of the summer season and maintain cleanliness. He added that relevant department and city police has been striving to keep the city neat and clean. OCM Sudhir appealed people not to litter and throw waste at proper places. He warned of taking befitted actions if anybody is caught littering. Manipur Police IG IK Muiva also took part in the cleanliness drive and appealed people to keep Imphal city clean.
बाजार की अकोइबा मरुइना नागानाला मथक नबुल तुरेन ते महानी थोंग नाकन के मोशन गोचली मैम से अवेयरनेस समझोइना प्रजा अपील मजोइना मैम हिंगमिनसी कथे नुंदिन फमगसु लुना नाना फमजी मसी मैन फजना नपगा अदुगा मोशन गोचम थबक से तौदनबा हेल्थ हजारसु ओइदनबा कालेन मतम लाकपनिना हुजिकती अना लायों खंगदे अमा खंगदे मैम अमा लाकसु याय अदुना मरम वर्गा अखोइना ngasiगी चिल्लबा तंजा से काइथोगा चंग लुना मि थबा सिदा तें खरद ओरसुना अखोइ मतेंग पांगजबनी अदुगा अखोइना प्रजा अपील तौजरीना अमोर काइजी म्युनिसिपालिटी की नटगा मफम चान हुंदोकपियु इरम नलादा थादबिगनु माइबेन सिंग मरुइना सिदा इंजाना पि योंबि खोपिबा दुकान सिंग मरम चादा पोलम सिंग मयाम नागा नलादा थादबि असि तोबिगनु करिगुम मथंगदा सिगुम थेंगनरगदि फाइन खंगदे अमा खंगदे मरिक चुम थबा दो कोइ पाखलकनी.
Advisor of Lamlai Kendra Development Committee co-opted PCC members of MPCC Manipur, Achoibam Devin said that a good people's representative is required to bring development in the society. He was speaking at the one-day political class held at his residence today. The program was jointly organized by Lamlai Kendra Development Political Forum, Development Committee, Mahila Committee, Hill Area Committee and Youth Development Committee. Speaking on the occasion, Deben appealed to elect efficient representatives during elections. He lamented that Lamlai constituency is now lacking in every perspective owing to failure to choose good representative. Deben asserted that there is no improvement in road condition for the past 20 years in the area.
Kari ba MLA to ne SMB da kendra se ki awara pa phukka da timing du da kai dore ma di SMB du da kendra da ki awara pa phukka da ma na yum da phayu subsala na khor tum le re ne adu oita di khoi lamnai kendra di karama makai da lakaduri ba no ba sumba laibak thi ba MLA thagar pa da maram oiraga lamnai kendra se adum sauda da lai gane ba kari ba MLA se ma se ta manga ra bole pe ta manga ra party honge अखोइना यायबा पार्टी होंगो पार्टी होंगा लमलाई केंद्र की सपोर्ट थोरंग तोरोबा अदु नतेबा पार्टी होंगा मादी मसागी कानब थीले रे लमलाई प्रजादी तो बोन मतम दुम तौरनी है वखल लेरेबा.
Erie Park Inaj Janura Loinasin Loan Ichal held one-day awareness program on domestic violence at Kamong Maisnam Awang Lekai, Ima Pantui Hall today. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on 3-day integrated communication and outreach program at Thanga. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Ministry of Information and Broadcasting Field Outreach Bureau FOB Imphal kicked off 3-day integrated communication and outreach program at Karang Ithat in Thanga, Bistupur district today. MLAT Robindro launched the program at Kuman Pokpa Community Hall. Speaking on the occasion, MLAT Robindro urged the various communities to unite to fulfill Jawaharlal Nehru's vision of unity and diversity. He also observed around 40 photographs highlighting the welfare activities initiated by the Indian government. Various cultural programs of Madhya Pradesh, Manipur and Nagaland were also showcased on the occasion.
Amata amaga nungsinadaba amagi furup amada ko changu ya bata furup amada hai patang daba adum charang na leba matamda prajaji wale matamda hojik paliba BJP ne luchingba chungsen ba saka ji lakam tamda gidi ngasi koi prajai kari awa bale dike ahing da moi hui ma kan khong matamda sipai la ma dujala hoi imu je kana sang tujano aigi sa ma phar pu dujala aigi ichanama atra aigi ahal ma imu mangistaki karama kai thokne happy adum badi chingabdi laira maroi.
More than 85,000 people are suffering from COVID-19 virus, with recent 35 people deaths from the virus in China's Hubei and Henan province. The death toll has reached 2,870 people in China itself. 106 people has died in other countries so far. Coronavirus has been spread to 60 countries, and in South Korea, 3,526 people has confirmed positive for the disease. It may be recalled that one Keralite suspected with the same was under treatment but passed away. The Keralite went through treatment at government hospital in Ernakulam after returning from Malaysia. Laishram Jilangamba appealed authorities concerned to punish all the culprits involved in the rape case of a 13-year-old girl at Nongada in February 27. It may be mentioned that son of Laishram Jilangamba, Laishram Tangba from Sawongbom Tongkong, was arrested as a suspect of the rape case. Speaking to media in a press meet held at Manipur Press Club today, Laishram Jilangamba said one out of the two suspects arrested regarding the case is his son. He asserted that upon police investigation, the other suspect, Malem Nganba, as well as the victim, denied Laishram Tangba of involving in the case, following which his son was granted bail on February 28. Mentioning that proscribed KCP Progressive Group has warned to punish all the culprits of the case, Jilangamba appealed the group to punish the miscreants only after true investigation. He also asserted that his son should be punished if he is ever found guilty.
Hokdok sidai senariba aigi isanupasine adagi malem nganba haisine moi animukse malem sidai khongdabam piroena khabar sidai amu habakudagi aisi leiba yadadana adugi question chenjabani leibak sigi damukta phanaba tawbiriba isininaw singsina ngasai asumba se phajana thidokbiraga aigi sase sengna mara leirmagasu kesu kaidi moigi apambadu sum tawbigo kaigino hargadi timuriba nupimja sisu aigi isagumbneba ai adum nungsiba aigi imung munungda thosu ai khangdana leiba ngamoiba moina asengba asumbado phajana thidokbiraga mara leiba mido serak adum pibiu madaido mapa ma oina ai isaju khangkacharoi ngasai asum arandu di phajana thidokpiu nupimcha duna ju aigi sanupasi yaude na haire phadana leiriba malengamba sina su aigi sanupasi yaude na haire masi phawbuda hariba sangstan sina hanjanna ngasi mak phawba khabardum yaurpo ji reijida leiba ngamdadna media gi khuthangda ai singduksaba laksabani.
Imphal West Commando team arrested two miscreants in possession of contraband drugs from Thokjom Bridge at around 6 p.m. last evening. The arrested persons are 37-year-old Mohammad Kabir Ahmad, son of Mohammad Abdul from Moising Awang Lekai, and 43-year-old Ramjatan Das, son of Suresh Das from Barauni AP Masjid Road. The team, led by Commando DSP Thokjom Thomas and P. Achoba, under the supervision of Imphal West District Additional SP Operation Amarjit Lamabam, seized 6 kg of brown sugar from Kabir and Ramjatan. They were handed over to City Police Station for further investigation. Thoubal District Police Commando team has arrested 2 individuals with possession of 5 boxes of nitrazepam including 500 tablets from Lilong Tamyai around 9 last night. The arrested persons are 21-year-old Moizing Mayum Farish Khan, alias Toiba, son of MM Siraz Ahmad from Moizing Awang Lekai, and 19 years old Wang Mamayum Imtiaz, son of W. Hazard from Lilong Haino Makong. The drug peddlers were handed over to Lilong police station for further necessary legal actions. Imphal West District Commando team arrested suspected active cadre of proscribed UNLF around 11 a.m. yesterday. The arrested person is 32-year-old Pandom Romapati, wife of PH Chalamba from Lausangkong, Makhalekai. Romapati works under one Lieutenant Colonel of UNLF, Chinkai Nganbi. She has completed 45 days basic military training at Eastern Nagaland. She was handed over to Lamlai police station for further investigation. Thoubal District Police team arrested 2 individuals last night who were accused in attempt to murder using guns of L. Rojit and T.H. Pramod at Hairok Part 2, Devi Mandap Lekai at the night of February 27. The arrested persons are 23-year-old Laishram Hirojit, son of L. Angosana from Hairok Part 3, Ningthauzam Leirak, and 25-year-old Laishram Arun Kumar, alias Nauba, son of L. Mohindro from Hairok Part 2, Laishram Lekai. Both of them are at police custody and will be produced before court today. Lions Club International District 322D in Manipur region held its 14th annual region conference at Lamyan Basang Lane in Palace Compound today. Attendees carried out a rally from the office and passed through Palace Compound, Traffic Island, Andro Barking Road, Palace Gate, and concluded at the initial point. Members of Lions Club of Imphal, Lions Club of Moirang, Lions Club Imphal Laimarol, Lions Club of Imphal Global participated in the event. Oath-taking ceremony of the newly selected office bearers of All Manipur Muslim Organization Coordinating Committee Amukok for 2020-2022 was held at Hotel Imphal's Sangai Hall today. Zaribam MLA Asabuddin, Wabagai MLA cum Chairperson of Manipur's Satev Work Board, Mohammad Fizur Raham, and representatives of various associations and organizations of the state attended the event. Former Amukok President SM Zalal has been re-elected as the new president of the committee. Altogether, 5 new vice presidents, including the committee's new secretary, Mohammad Wahidur Rahman, and newly selected executive members took oath at the event.
yamna choba great message ama manipur la leiba khogi jati punamakta ichilina oiba amsung amatu oiba nungsi chanaba shanti oiba amsung wakhalon tinana tunglam chatki oiba dumba khuna ama khogi ramdam sigi khuna ama semkat minanaba gi dumba wakhalon du da yamna choba message ama ngasigi wasak loba thoramasina oiragani haiba famse thamjari ngasigi asugumba attacking ceremony siga mari leinana appeal tawjaning madi akhogi marakta kanagumba ichilina singi maraktagi akhoi maselgi marakta confuse lehenanaba ba taba watpa adugumba situation khara lakpa taragadi madu masagi marnai oiba wakhalonda thawak tawbani habase miyamna lobiyu.
Zeliarong Baptist Association along with Tamenglong District Working Journalists Union held one-day awareness camp on sensitization of media role at Aben village under Tausem subdivision in Tamenglong today. Village chairman, church leaders, civil society organizations and residents of 11 villages participated in the camp. Cine Writers and Playwright Forum Manipur organized an award presentation ceremony for writers who won 2nd All Manipuri Film Script Competition 2019 at JN Manipur Dance Academy today. Kurai MLA El Susindro, President of Cine Writers and Playwright Forum Manipur, Manaubi MM, and Chairman of Film Forum Manipur S. Mangoljao and other people attended the event. Writer Andoran of Jumthang Dasu Amamba Film, Manipur writer Aribam Sivadas of Wathok Khao Film and writer and Pramoda of Kanglei Film won 1st second and third place respectively for the Award of the Year 2019. Cine Writers and Playwright Forum Manipur's biannual journal, Asengba Maithong, was also released during the event. Forest and Environment Minister Thamnaujam Shyamkumar released the second episode of Organization for Indian Women Against Crime's weekly web series Jaitheng, entitled Yausang Thabal Gi Jaitheng, today. Nirmal Kangjam is the director, while Minister Shyamkumar sponsored the second episode of the web series based on stories of various crimes on women in Manipur. Speaking at the release function held at Manipur Minister's Quarter in Kanglapad, Minister Shyamkumar said it is high time to spread awareness to stop crime against women. He said the web series will aid in spreading awareness to people. Speaking on the occasion, Secretary of Organization for Indian Women Against Crime, A. Robita, said that the web series will be available on the YouTube channel Jaitheng Incident in Manipur starting 9 p.m. onwards tomorrow.
Ngasi di Manipur apikpa state wargasu jati kanglup kunthatu na puna taminaba laibak thibadi border state warba drug ki amadi nisana lasubi sem warpa masina ayamba crime kya thoktuna miharpun tholakpa amadi nipising da hanthana yengba nipising mu tuhatpiba amadi nipising bu masini khanma ngamaktabagi sajat wakhlor ma lakpasina male masida amadi sida asauba kogi mahoksai khansi kaire adugidamakta women crimes against na sahi ki oina puthokpa serna puthokpa sum saitheng asina yengakandadi soidramaki gyan taba phangani haiba masi yam arthlaiba afabasing losun birakanda phatabasi lothok birakanda afabasing du yengaka tungmirong gedamakta chapchaba khongtham lemina.
Kanglei Park Students Association KSA carried out a public rally which aimed to encourage youth to participate in sports for a healthy society in view of the upcoming Yausang Festival today. National awardee H. Ibatombi flagged off the rally from Kangla Western Gate. Speaking on the sidelines, KSA Vice President S. Vidyananda said that the association has been organizing Kanglei Mega Sports since 2012 with an aim to encourage youths on the right path. He urged youth to extend their support and cooperation in enhancing sports in the state, which is known as the powerhouse of sports of the country.
अखोई याउसंगी फत्रब चटनबी कयादा थवाई लुसन खिबा आबिदे मरुएना अखोई आबिर तैनबा इसिंग हैनबा अदुगा अखोईगी असुगुंबा थौदोक मयामसिना मरम ओरकांदा अखोइदा पामदबा थौदोक वाथोक कया अमा थोलकपा नहासिंगसिगी मोरल मांगथरकपा निसागी पाकता असुंगबा लाइचुदना लाकपा फत्रब चटनबी कयादा थवाई लुसन बे हेमेलकपा लोइनना अरेमदा नुमित मंगानी मतम मांगहनदना लाकपा सिना अखोईगी खुनाइसिगी सेनमिलोंदा असौबा सैथेंग अमा पिरकपसि नाथैरकांदा मिपुम खुदिमग असि स्पोर्ट्स के मूवमेंट माइ ओनसिलकांदा लमदमसिबु सक्ताकलिबा अखोईगी स्पोर्ट्स सि हेना खुमांग चाउसनन खोनबा मतमदा मदु अखोई ngasing nahasing asida akoi kanu wakalon ahenba wakalon ama pinanabagi amasung miyam punna akoi wakalon du punna laiminanabagi wakalon da IDB Sports Festival asi akoi 2012 tagi sinja langchaduna lakpani masigi chatharakbagi makhatana akoi handakisu mapan suba kanglei mega sports festival asi akoi March ki tang mapan dagi hauraka nipan dagi haurakanda 13 fauba Impal gi tongan mafam singda tongan masana singa loinana akoi pangthoknana.
Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Director of Health and Family Welfare, Dr. K. Raju, launches 7-day intensified Mission Indradhanush 2.0 campaign, which will start tomorrow. Mansi Khan Soa Rigpa, a Tibetan medical and astro institute which treats chronic diseases, opens its branch in Imphal. Illegal sawmills at Ukhrul and Kaching district shut down. Minister T.H. Shyamkumar assures stringent measures to stop mass deforestation. And 3-day Children's Film Festival organized by Manipur State Film Development Society and Children's Film Society of India kicks off.